how to use AI in Google Sheets automation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you know that nowadays you can use AI for automation in your Google Sheets? You can upgrade for more access in Google and then use like AI in your sheets so that they can easily calculate the data, make tables and graphs and other charts for you easily. You need to head over to your Google Sheets. Then you can find the Gemini icon in the top left beside your profile. You can just tap on it and then tap on try it out, and you can upgrade for more access to sheets, and then you can easily visualize data insights in your Google Sheets with the help of Gemini AI. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.